A parental control app that can block apps, filter adult content, manage screen time, track your child's location, and even send emergency alerts sounds great. And setting all that up really isn't as complicated as you might think. Now, to help make it even easier, today I'm going to show you how to use Qustodio parental control from installation and activation to using all the premium features. And the first question that I'll cover in this Qustodio review is, which plan should you choose? So you have the choice between two plans. The basic tier covers the main parental controls that most people need. This includes app blocking, web filtering, screen time limits, location tracking, and the ability to pause internet access. However, if you're looking for a more extensive Qustodio parental control plan, then the complete tier is the better option. This subscription expands the monitoring side of the app with features like AI-powered alerts, social monitoring, app insights, game alerts, custom routines, plus call and message monitoring. So based on your needs, you can decide whether paying for the extra higher tier makes sense for your family. All right, so regardless of which plan suits your needs best, you can save money on either by using the link in the description to access our exclusive discount. All right, so now that you've picked your plan and checked out, it's time to learn how to set up Qustodio. There are actually two separate Qustodio parental control apps that you'll need to download. They're available through the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or the official website if you're using a PC. On your phone, you'll need to install the one labeled Qustodio Parental Control app, and on your children's device, download the one labeled Kids app Qustodio. Okay, after you've created your login credentials and successfully entered the parental account, use those same login details to now enter your child's app. Now that you've logged in, hit the Protect This Device button, and Qustodio will automatically walk you through the step-by-step configuration process where several permissions need to be enabled. These are extremely important as they allow the app to properly supervise the device, block apps and websites, apply screen time restrictions, monitor activity, and track location in the background. Without activating them, many of the Qustodio parental control features just simply won't function correctly. Okay, now that the bulk of the tutorial is out of the way, the next question that I'll answer in this Qustodio app review: how do screen time limits work? On this note, I consider Qustodio to be one of the best parental control app options, as its screen time limitations are really extensive and customizable. You can tailor your child's daily usage, customize schedules, create bedtime restrictions, and even instantly pause their internet access via your parent dashboard. The controls are flexible enough to create routines for school days, evenings, weekends, or study hours without needing to individually adjust the settings every day. From the dashboard, navigate to Rules, then Daily Time Limits. And once you've enabled the feature, you can use the dial wheel to select the time limit for each specific day of the week. And next, you can decide what happens when the time limit has been reached, including locking the internet navigation, locking the device, or alerting the parent's phone. To restrict screen time during certain hours, navigate to Rules, then Routines, and from here you adjust the specific time slots according to homework time or bedtime, for example. So if you'd like to get this level of online protection for your child's device as well, don't forget the discount link I left in the description automatically applies the lowest price possible at checkout. Okay, now we've covered how to time limit your child's screen time, but what if you want to block specific apps like social media or video services altogether? You can do this by navigating to the Rules tab and finding the App Limits button. Here you can either limit app usage to specific times or block the apps entirely for more targeted control. Okay, moving on to one of the rarer features included in this app, I'm going to show you how to use Qustodio parental control to track your child's location. Just navigate to Rules on your dashboard and enable the location toggle. Now you're going to be able to see your child's device location in real time under the Family Locator tab. And you can also customize a preset safe zone under the My Places tab and adjust the geofencing according to your preferences, which is ideal for school or home. If your child arrives at or exits the predetermined area, you're going to receive an immediate alert. Qustodio also stores location history, making it easier for you to understand movement patterns and daily routines without constantly checking the device manually. And remember, you can get all this protection at the lowest price possible by using the exclusive discount link in the description. All right, beyond the core parental controls, Qustodio also includes several additional safety and monitoring tools. Features such as the panic button, located under the Rules tab, allow children to quickly send emergency alerts. And if you're looking to get deeper visibility into your child's viewed videos and search activity on YouTube, go to Rules, then Web Filtering, and finally, Settings. Now you can enable the Enforce Safe Search button, and your child's YouTube activity will automatically be monitored. Now, depending on the device and subscription plan, Qustodio can also provide chat monitoring, game activity insights, and additional behavior tracking that give you a much broader overview of your child's online activity. All right, wrapping up this Qustodio parental control review, this app offers two plans, from a basic one to an advanced option that fit your family's needs and budget. And setting up all the protective features can be done in one fell swoop if you simply follow the steps in this video. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.